Of our herbs, we have some beautiful mint. Ooh, it smells so good. And in here we have a bunch of thyme from last year and a little bit of fennel. This is our fennel that wintered over, and we grow it in this bed. The fennel draws black swallowtail caterpillars, which lay their eggs. I don't know if you can see that. Get that to focus. There he is. This is a little black swallowtail caterpillar that's hatched. And we like to watch the life cycle. So you can usually find eggs on here, and then different stages of caterpillars all summer long. And this year we decided to add, some of them are smaller. This year we decided to add a bunch of different kinds of flowers in there to have food for the moms too. So we had a lot of different things, but the only thing that seems to have come up is our good old zinnias that always work, and these gorgeous little cosmos. So that'll give the butterflies nectar to enjoy, and then they'll have a place, all these great places to lay their eggs. That's what we do with our fennel. You can eat it, but we don't eat it too much. Once in a while. And we put, I've gotten a spider web. We put basil in with our tomatoes in the big garden. And then we have this sage that's wintered over. This is dill to go with our cucumbers back there. And that's some more fennel that planted itself. Fennel is puts seeds everywhere and it plants itself everywhere. There's some basil. We'll put it with our cucumbers also. And then over there we have rosemary. And this is blue spice basil, which if you ever get a chance to grow, it smells like bubble gum. Super fun sensory experience for the kids. And then over here in our big garden, we have, you hear the turkeys. Purple basil, and those. And this is, could be some kind of pineapple sage. Or some type of sage. It smells really sweet. And then we've got more basils over there. It's fun. And here's another peek at our ginger. Not really a herb, but kind of like one.